Hey tech troubleshooters! Today we're tackling a Windows 11 challenge. Optimize 100% disk usage. If your system's feeling sluggish, stick around. We've got the keys to smooth things out. Ready to boost that performance? Begin by right-clicking on the Windows Start button. Dive into the Task Manager to manage your startup apps efficiently. Head over to the Startup Apps tab to identify any unnecessary programs that might be slowing down your system. Right-click on each unwanted app. Choose Disable to prevent them from launching at startup. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Right-click on the Windows Start button once more. Navigate to Settings. Dive into Windows Update. Initiate a manual check for updates by clicking on Check for Updates. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Click on the search bar and search for Services. Open up the Services menu. Locate Sysmain. Right-click on it and select Properties. Click on Automatic and switch it to Disable. Apply the changes. Hit OK. Right-click on Connected Device Platform. Click on Properties. Similar drill, click on Automatic and select Disable. Apply the changes again. Conclude with an OK. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Open File Explorer. Expand this PC. Right-click on your C drive. Click on Properties. Head to the Tools tab. Click Optimize to defragment your drive. Click Change Settings. Uncheck Run on a schedule if it's not needed. Click OK. Hit Close. Confirm with another OK. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.